Today I'm on the outside, not in my workshop. That has a specific reason, because I need new materials for my board, but not the materials you probably get in the hardware store. So let me show you. Now I'm here in the local city forest, and my goal is to find dirt. Yeah, simple, good old European soil to, well, glue that to my board, and also maybe a bit of gravel. And my basic idea is that I don't have to paint all this later. And with that, I am trying to emulate a more natural style. So yeah, let's see if we can find some dirt. Look at that beautiful autumn day. Well, all those leaves won't make it any easier. Ideally, you want to do something like that in spring or in the summer. Well, I have to work with what I have. Oh, I think we have a winner. Two glasses of dirt. So this was the easy part. Now comes the hard part. Finding some gravel. Well, I probably won't find anything here. Let's keep looking. Again, just with the finer soil, I think you want to find something that is not so firm, that is a bit more loose, so that you can actually grab it. Wait a minute. What is this? This could be a jackpot. And indeed it is. This is perfect. The great thing about this is this stuff also has the right color that I want to paint my rocks in. Yeah. And with that, we have 3 glasses of dirt. So let's get home and prepare this stuff. So before we do anything with these, I think it's always a good idea to disinfect your soil and your gravel before you do anything with that. The way we're going to do that is pretty straightforward. We are simply using heat. So I simply use my oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake all of this for about an hour. I don't necessarily think that you need to do that for that long, but I wanted to make sure that everything is very, very dry. I think if you do that for roughly half an hour, you should be fine too. I also like to sift everything before I do anything with that. So we have like a fine grain where I combined fine soil and the fine gravel. We also have 2 medium grits, the brown soil here and the gray gravel over there. And we have 2 larger grits, which is on one side the gravel and also a few more stones that I found in the soil. Now, applying all that, you probably want to go with PVA. I'm not going to show you that because I still have to paint my board first. So this will probably happen tomorrow. But I also have another idea that came while I was doing that. So maybe I will do that first and then paint, and then I will show you how I apply all this. But spoiler alert, it's not that complicated, to be perfectly honest.